Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error when running the command npx create react app. So let's get started. So here you can see, right, in this it says no such file or directory AppData Roaming npm. So we need to go to this path at first. So just go to your local disk C and you need to go to users and you need to click on the system username folder, and here you'll be having a folder named as AppData. So by default this folder won't be visible because this is an hidden folder. So to view this, you need to just click on view and you need to check this. Okay, if it isn't checked, you need to check this so that the AppData folder appears. Click that, go inside roaming, and here we aren't having any npm folder, and that's the reason why we are getting error, because it says we need to have this particular directory. So just right click, new folder, and name it as npm in lower cases. That's it. So I'll just create this folder now, and I'll go to my VS Code terminal and run the exact same create react app command again. And this time you can see, right, I am not getting any errors, and it says installing React, React DOM, and React scripts. So this is the first way how you can solve this error. So let the download process go, and let me show you another two possible ways how you can solve this issue. So the second way is going to be, you need to run this command npm install -g create react app. So you need to run this command, and after running the first command you are running the second command. Okay, this is in case the first npm folder method doesn't work. So you need to run this and later run this. So if this method also doesn't work, you need to basically run npm cache clean -force, and you need to restart Visual Studio Code. By restart I meant just closing and opening it. And my React app has now successfully started. So just try it out, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of programming videos. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.